How to make lemon muffin. Super easy, simple, and delicious lemon muffins. These lemon muffins are light, fluffy, incredibly moist, and are bursting with fresh lemon flavor. Ingredients. For lemon muffins: 2 cups, 240 g, all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a quarter teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup, 200 g, granulated sugar, 2 lemons zest, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted, a quarter cup, 59 milliliters, canola oil, 2 large eggs, US, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup milk, room temperature, a quarter cup, 59 milliliters, lemon juice, a quarter cup, 60 g, sour cream. For lemon glaze: 1 cup, 120 g, powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons, 30 to 45 milliliters, lemon juice. Equipment: 1 PCS 12 CT muffin pan, 12 cupcake or muffin liners, 2 bowls, 1 whisk, 1 spoon or flexible spatula. Instructions: 1. In a mixing bowl, whisk the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt together until well combined. 2. In another bowl, whisk the sugar and lemon zest together until well combined with a wet sand consistency. Whisk in the melted butter, oil, eggs, vanilla extract, lemon juice, sour cream, and milk together until well combined. 3. Stir the dry ingredients into the wet until just combined. Do not overmix. Let the lemon muffin batter rest at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the muffin batter rests, preheat the oven to 425 F, 218 C. 4. Line a 12 CT muffin pan with cupcake liners. Use a 3 tablespoon sized cookie scoop to scoop the muffin batter into each of the muffin liners, alternating every other cup. This method produces the tallest bakery-style tops. If you prefer to bake them all at once, the tops won't be as high. Bake the muffins at 425 F for 6 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350, 177 C for an additional 7 to 9 minutes. Do not open the oven door to reduce the temperature. Wait until closer to the minimum baking time. The muffins will bake for a total of 13 to 15 minutes. 5. The muffins are done when a toothpick inserted into the center of the muffins comes about with a few moist crumbs. Cool the lemon pudding mix muffins in the muffin pan for 5 minutes. Carefully remove the muffins to cool to room temperature and make the lemon glaze. Make the 2-ingredient lemon glaze by stirring the fresh lemon juice into the powdered sugar until you reach your desired consistency. For a thicker glaze, use 1 to 2 tablespoons. For a thinner glaze, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Spoon the glaze over the mostly cooled lemon muffins. Top with lemon zest if you like and enjoy. How to store, freeze, and thaw. 1. Store leftover muffins. Place the moist lemon muffins in an airtight container for up to 2 days. Then transfer the muffins to the fridge for up to 3 more days. 2. Freeze the muffins. Individually wrap each muffin in plastic wrap. Place each wrapped muffin in a Ziploc bag. Store in the freezer for up to 2 months. It's best not to glaze the muffins if you plan on freezing them. 3. Thaw the muffins. The easiest and tastiest way to thaw the glazed lemon muffins is to let them out at room temperature for at least 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.